Mastering retargeting, boost your business on Instagram and Facebook. In the digital age, the key to scaling your business lies in effective retargeting. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook can be your secret weapon, and we're here to show you how. Retargeting is the art of reconnecting with users who've interacted with your business before. They might have visited your website, liked your posts, or added something to a shopping cart but left before purchasing. Imagine you own a bakery. Someone visits your website, views the menu, but doesn't order. Retargeting allows you to remind this potential customer about their unfulfilled craving through targeted ads. Leveraging Instagram and Facebook for retargeting is a game changer. These platforms have huge user bases and allow you to place your ads directly in the feeds of your potential customers, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Creating a retargeting campaign begins with identifying your audience. Use the Facebook Pixel or Instagram's Business Suite to track user behavior on your site and build a custom audience for your ads. Once you've identified your audience, it's time to craft engaging content. Remember, these users have interacted with your brand before. So, tailor your message to their previous engagement and offer them a compelling reason to act. Monitor your campaign closely and adjust accordingly. Retargeting is a dynamic process. What works today might not work tomorrow. Always be ready to tweak your campaign based on feedback and results. Success in retargeting is not overnight. It's a persistent strategy that can significantly boost your conversions and customer loyalty. With patience and practice, you can turn Instagram and Facebook into powerful allies for your business. Retargeting is your opportunity to turn almost customers into loyal ones. It's time to revitalize your online business strategy with Instagram and Facebook retargeting. Let's get started.